Welcome back to 3-Minute Hikes. Today we'll be hiking the Paul Peak Trail in Mount Rainier National Park. The Paul Peak Trail is 6.2 miles round trip and drops from 3,700 feet at the trailhead to 2,800 feet at the turnaround. We'll make up that 900 feet of elevation loss on the return trip. Unlike most hikes, the Paul Peak Trail is mostly downhill to start. We'll drop about 250 feet in the first half mile or so before we reach Meadow Creek. An old-growth forest is followed by rolling terrain and then a long series of gently descending switchbacks. We can still see evidence of a 2004 windstorm that toppled countless trees but opened up a view of Mount Rainier and Mowich River below. .1 miles into our hike, we reach the end of Paul Peak Trail and the junction with the Wonderland Trail. We take a right and head downhill another half mile or so to the river. We rest our feet and enjoy a picnic at the river before making the uphill climb back to the parking lot. That's all for now. See you next time.
This boulder needs a shave. This boulder has a goatee.